All right, so as you can see here, I have really put my horizon lines way off the page. And if you guys are doing this at home, you might not have, or you might not have access to, or you may not have chosen to use this program. So I kind of want to give you guys a little bit of guidance on how you could set one of these up on your page without the PC. So what I did was I'm drawing 3 lines, and what these lines represent are directions to my vanishing points. Oh wow, look at that. That was really sloppy. So my first vanishing point is over here, my second is here, and my third is here. Now what I want to do is I want to soften this up. I don't want my rays to go directly to these vanishing points. So I'm going to have 2 stand-in points. Because again, remember, they're still there. They're just all the way out in space. Oops, I didn't mean to move that. So let's zoom back in. And let's create some stand-ins. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to start to draw a plane. And I'm going to say, all right, there we go. All right, and that would go all the way out to my vanishing point. So that's my first stand-in. And this is my second stand-in. And then we'll do stand-in 3 here. And here. All right, so the thing is, and what's beautiful about this is if you get the space between here to here, if you duplicate that space over here, which I'm doing roughly, you could continue to split the difference in angle. So do you see how notice this angle is 90 degrees, and you don't have to measure all this, I promise. This angle is 80 degrees. This angle is 84 degrees. And if I were to draw a line here, I would bet it would be somewhere between 84 and 90 degrees. And let's just double check. 87 degrees. So what you'll notice is, so the vanishing point is down here. As the lines get closer and closer to the vanishing point, the angle gets closer and closer to wherever and it happens again over here with this line. If we measure the angle of this line over here, it comes in at 10 degrees. Now, if I were to split the difference, all right, between my 10 degree line and my 0 degree line over here, it's kind of neat. It's roughly in the middle. I would bet this line is close to 5 degrees. Let's see how close it is. 3 degrees. All right, so there you go. And then, so the thing is, if we have a 10 degree line over here and a 3 degree line over here, and we use our perspective tool to split the difference. So 10, 3, 0. I bet there's a trend here. This line right here is in between 3 degrees and 10 degrees. So 3 degrees here, 10 degrees here. I bet this one is in between 3 and 10 degrees. Let's measure it. Seven. Woohoo! So that is how you split your how you estimate without going all the way to a vanishing point. So you're going to see me do some of this in my drawings, but I kind of wanted to like give you an idea of like the concept before I brought the concept into the application phase.